hey, I'm out here at Charlie's and we just helped him with a project in his garage. We redid the ceiling. He had ceiling falling down, I guess pretty significantly here where the garage doors would come back, Charlie?
Yes, ma'am. That's correct.
And so we got new drywall put up, new texture and paint, and wow, your ceiling looks like a brand new.
It is hard. We love it.
So Charlie, what was it like working with our crew?
Excellent. I was just telling Mr. Greg, like, Mr. Ernest is such a great person. Shout out to him. Very humble guy. Mr. Greg, he'll bend over backwards, constantly checking on me, making sure the project was being completed in a timely manner. And even Mr. Steve stopped by, so it was awesome all the way around.
Well, we're glad that you had a great experience, and thank you for choosing Gill Construction Solutions.
Oh, thank you.